up so I can get this thing
Yep.
done.
Oh, we're in a great spot for it.
Yeah. I literally like guard you while you're doing it. I don't even care.
If you can push over to
Right.
fucking loading area, there was like 10,000 containers there.
10,000.
Bunker? Not bunker, I meant garage?
Probably Bob.
Yeah, garage. Sorry, garage. Sorry, I don't know why I said loading. I was saying loading because we're in loading.
I just need one more thing.
You just need one more thing?
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck's on the back? Oh, your hair sticking out of your helmet. It looks like blood's on the back of your helmet. I'll go first.
Wait, to get it red, you need one more thing?
Yeah. It's at 950 right now.
We need to go to garage, yeah. Definitely.
There might be something in there.
Take this. Take yeah, take the first one. Take one safe.
How are we gonna get out of here though? That's the only problem. I mean,
Mission open,
y'all
okay.
don't have to get out.
Medical containers. They're in here. You can get out.
Y'all can fight, I guess. I have to go to garden corner though.
There you go. Garden corner.
Jen
dude.
over there. Or by
Get
director, I
outta
mean.
Let's go. I'll escort you and then I'm gonna go run at people.
Alright, I'm gonna drop down through main probably.
Dude, these scavs take 2 headshots from a knife and it makes me angry. I'm gonna hit this safe right here. Someone might be in here.
They're on cams right now. Looking at us from director. They're in director, Garrett. They actually might come ape Garrett. We need to go guard Garrett.
Yeah, go with Garrett. Go with Garrett.
Yeah, they're aping.
Coming.
I think I might die. I'm about to get out. Y'all good. Alright, I'm getting out.
We need to push back. They're out.
Y'all good. Y'all good. Y'all good. Y'all good. Get out.
He dropped.
Yeah, they were trying to drop on me though.
It's insane.
You up?
Yeah, I'm up. I think they're gonna come down elevator hall right now. Elevator hall and connector. Yeah.
And Jim now too. Back up.
Oh, they're all connector. All connector.
I'm gonna walk back to the director on. Fuck him. Watch this shit. He watch behind us.
Oh, little sneaky snakes, dude. Little sneaky snakes.
Garrett, you get it red?
Yeah, I got her.
W.
Two.
As intended, dude. Has game intended.
This is my right.
We just traded places with this guy. That's so funny.
I know.
Oh, they're fighting. Mosey.
We're looking over a balcony right now, down in the kitchen. They think we're still down there.
They're fighting.
They just dropped down on these guys. Let me go back and take their place now again. I'm PKing. I'm PKing. I'm PKing.
This is.
I saw 2 drop. I think it's a full team though.
Yeah, definitely a mammoth team. You just drink a little slurp juice below. Little slurp juice, little slurp juice. Hit mid save? Hit mid save. Someone is.
Yeah.
I just fell. My guy stubbed his toe.
Below me. Multiple.
HK. Double cap. What the fuck? They might have dropped on bot players. That's who they killed below. Fucking HK's not a happy camper. I said, put on. Oh, wolf. Might have been a scav in wolf, but
Scab and wolf. Scab and wolf. Scab and
is
wolf.
it?
Scab and
Okay.
wolf.
Okay.
They baited these saves.
AK-102 by bunker. Oh, scav blew down. HK blew down scav. Let's go to down double cap. Go down double cap. They're gonna fight.
They already fought.
No. HK and AK-102 aren't on the same team. I don't think.
What's up, bro?
Footstep to the right. What the fuck? Don't move. Don't move. Don't pick that. Don't move. Don't move and pick it. Oh god.
What are they fucking doing?
I don't know. I'm nading you. Run back. Run back. Dude, what the fuck is going on?
Sky Rage for sure.
I know. One dead.
I'm holding this side.
Yep, full kill. They're huge too. Like, what are we doing? I'm gonna hide my airplane.
coming
so
your
they don't
side.
get it. They're getting shot in the back. Oh my god, that's huge.
There's running below.
One's down, I think. They're so hurt. I downed one and the other one's a bullet.
A little busy.
On couches, on couches.
Give me just a second.
I think he's got
Oh,
him
below
off.
me! What the fuck?
What the hell is
There's a guy creep
going
walking
on?
below me. There's a guy creep walking below me. I killed a monster up top.
I also killed one.
This is two different teams, dude. We like fought, and then I don't know. One guy's in elevator stairs. Probably look at me right now.
Is he?
Probably.
You got the res off, dude? Fuck. I ran out of APs in my fucking bag. That sucks.
guy who killed me is an absolute shitter. Like, he's T3 with an AKM with BPs.
I don't like that push. He's sitting on couches.
Here's the guy who killed me, you think? Wipe.
Fucking suck, dude.
T6 rig, by the way.
No, it's tier 5.
No, it's T6.
It's
H-Tech A9?
That's T5.
Oh, is it T5?
T5.
Oh, it's because it's skin on it. That's why. That's why. It looks like the other one. Oh, I killed a behemoth in the elevator stairs. His buddy's probably got his loot on him.
I mean, did you say it was a tier 4 with an AKM? Yeah, he's got your
That's
gun.
the guy. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's who killed me. I killed another guy, though, in elevator stairs.
995, full mag. Thanks, pussy.
What was that guy doing?
He's fucking thought his buddy was watching him. He's fucking in his inventory.
Yep, you right.
Fucking dumbass, dude.
I would love that armor back if you can get it.
Yeah,
Possible.
I'm wearing it. Don't worry about it.
I guess he unloaded my fucking BS out of my mag. He probably did. He's running, yeah, he was running BPs when he killed me.
No,
He just sounded
I
like he
got
was
your
above
ammo.
me and he was below me. Oh, you got the BS? Oh my god, he didn't load it. Thank you, brother.
Yep, 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 yep.
You should have left that bitch in the mag. Yeah, there you go. Honestly, dude, I'm not kidding you. Leave the plane and raid. I do not fucking want it.
Alright.
Leave my plane and raid. I don't want that shit. Leave that beach in the raid.
Anything else here that I want?
Walking elevator stairs, look to the right. Yep, there he is. Oh, I guess he did load him. Oh, well, maybe not. That's me. That's the guy I killed.
This fucking armor's terrible.
Yeah, it's terrible. Terrible. I don't think the safe, the circle safe in mid got hit.
Yeah, I gotta grab
They
my
just raided it.
airplane and then I'll go fucking grab it.
Yeah, I don't think they hit that shit.
I also gotta go loot my second kill.
Yeah, and managers. That guy looking out there, that was funny. He's like, where is he? Where is he?
I heard the scav shoot.
I I know, but this guy was shooting in there towards you. Whatever.
I gotta go grab my
Whatever.
secret hidden, super duper secret plane.
Ooh.
I threw it in hooks. I thought I have 2 more kills to loot actually. I have that guy and that guy. I hit it here just in case I died.
Oh well, hey. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if it's lobby. I'll assume it is, but obviously you never
I'm
know.
gonna assume it's okay if I die. It's alright.
Yeah, whatever. T5 helmet on this guy? Looks like it. Oh god, it's cooked.
Nah, it's totally usable.
It's usable. It's usable.
Oh, look at that. W.
The big bag. Let's go.
Oh, it's got a gold plane. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's already upgraded for me. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
let's go. That guy's so pissed. Mad
Oh,
dog.
you fucking suck, idiot.
Mad dog. What a little bitch.
You fucking suck, dude. Stupid little goofball.
I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, brother. Maybe you. I don't know. I was gonna say maybe you part your ace.
For what though? There's nothing worth parting it yet. When I find something worth parting,
What's
I'll do it. And fucking I don't care about the MPX.
Yeah, I think there's a guy in there.
I'll
And
do
almost
that.
had an AK-12.
Yeah, if he has an AK-12, I'll part it.
That's when we'll bundle MPXs.
Ace been doing me right, dude. Ace been doing me right. Good little ways, dude. Good little ways. What's more expensive? VPs? Actually, I could just do this. So I have a mag to shoot guys with. Oh, here's the other guy I killed. Forgot about this guy. T191. Oh, shit.
We're bringing the armor. You might have to drop the armor for that.
No, I'm not joking.
Marsh brought a BT6 heavy. What is it out of?
Yeah.
60, I think.
It's sellable. Oh my
Yeah.
god, another gold
Oh,
plane.
yeah.
Oh my fucking god. Oh
See,
my
everyone's on lockdown trying to upgrade that bitch, dude.
fuck, dude. And this is on my alt account.
Like, baby.
Oh, I'm sick.
Go in there. Go in
I'm
your room.
sick. I'm sick to my fucking stomach.
Go play in there if you're gonna yell right next to my ear.
Sick to my fucking stomach, dude.
Made your rig out, brother.
Yeah, get the fuck on your main account. Shouldn't it be unbanned?
Why would I switch my rig out?
For that guy's rig.
Yeah, but it's missing a good slot, a 4 slot. I guess it doesn't matter. I don't have anything worth taking.
I was about to say, yeah, but you need the area or the room right now.
This might be the best map to do your planes on. It's everything. So I mean, if you survive, obviously.
I mean, I survived because I'm very lucky. Those guys are retarded.
Well, I got my first red one, so I'm not scared about losing another one now.
No, I don't care about him at all. I just told him to drop my plane in the raid.
So if we can just clear lobby, we might better just fucking keep farming planes, dude.
Okay, one more guy to loot, and then I'm good. I got a safe to loot.
Yeah, we just gotta make sure we're all safe and none of us don't die.
He's whatever.
This poor guy was lost, dude. Lost like a fucking puppy.
Unlock.
Oh my fuck.
That guy was lost like a little puppy. I would agree with you on that.
He dropped his bag,
Oh,
bro.
my
Where's his bag? Where's his bag? Fuck.
None of that stuff's takeable except for the HK.
Yeah, that's not sellable. I think his face mask is the. Yeah. I'm not ready to face mask though.
You might have to
Fuck
do
that.
whatever you want.
This is terrible.
Part my AK-12 if you have to, bro.
I don't like, even if I do that, like this doesn't fit in here anywhere.
Yeah, it doesn't fit. Yeah, I was about to say, I don't even think it matters.
Unless like I take the suppressor off and it fits long ways, but
You gotta drop planes for that. That's up to you.
Another HK?
yeah.
And you gotta drop the armor.
Yeah. Well, how much is the T191?
800 fucking K.
800K? Fuck. Fuck,
Drop one of those
dude.
planes, bro.
Can't do
Drop
it,
one of those
Coach, can't do
planes.
it.
Take the suppressor off my AK-12, and you can fit the armor up top left corner.
See you later, plane.
Just grab the attachments. Yep. Grab my suppressor off that guy's body.
I tried to
Mark,
get in
is
his
there-
rig, right?
Is
Yeah,
there
it's in
another way
the-
to make more space? Like with the bags? Would I use a cowhide maybe?
You could do rush and cowhide. It gives you one more
Ah,
line of room up top, like
So
a 1x5.
I have all mine are just rushes inside of rushes. That's all I have really, and then FA multis in most of them.
Yeah,
Is that
FA
the best
multi
way?
and a rush, and then rush and a cowhide is how I see a lot of people do it.
But I mean, so it gives you extra space more than just a rush and rush.
Yes. A little bit. I mean, it's minute, but if you have like 6 or 8 of them, I see a lot of people do. They'll buy the rig that William's wearing right now, and they'll put that in a rush if you have like a bunch of one slaughters, because that takes more one slaughters than the
Yeah.
FA multi. But some people have like a lot of helmets and shit, and so they need the
Yeah.
4 slaughters. Good raid, William. Good shit, brother.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
Good raid, buddy.
Good shit, brother, man.
All this shit's looted, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me just go loot those safes and leave. I need to hope these are both 1,000 and 1,000. Yeah, okay. So those will both go red.
Yep, those both get red.
Tyler said,
Whoa.
Cowhide Rush with B6 tack is the most storage you can get for 1x1 stitches ammo.
Thank you.
Yeah. And money, yeah. The money thing's what
Oh,
people like us have problems with.
Yeah, I might have to do that for my money.
Can you imagine if the money was still only a 1 mil stack?
disgusting.
No. We might be out of room.
When it was like that, I was out of room every day.
Dude, I forgot it
like,
was.
stack
I forgot it was a
money.
1 stack, dude. I forgot about that. Holy shit, that's crazy.
Oh yeah. You remember when you had to roll up bags inside of bags, Liam? And
Yeah.
like it took time to roll up a bag,
Yeah.
depending on how big the bag was. It's so aged, bro.
This will be a 6 mil raid.
Oh yeah. Maybe more than that. We'll 6, 7. You know. What I mean?
Oh, my fucking alt account makes me sick to my stomach.
Yeah, go try your main after this.
But we're having good luck, dude. I feel like if I switch, our luck's gonna go down the drain. I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna try it. Fucking disgusting. Oh, 5 point. I think it only gave me one of those red, by the way. It might have considered it.
You get fucked, you crazy.
I think so. Because 5.9 doesn't make sense if
Probably
they're each 800k, and I was at 4.9 before then.
Yeah, probably fucked you crazy
So
style.
that-
Yeah.
That math would make sense. Nope, it didn't say it consumed them.